Hello? Okay. Today I'm going to be talking about the importance of standards in the construction of networks. And firstly, I need to start off by talking about why standards are needed. When a business needs to set up a LAN with a number of clients and servers, if the hardware does not follow some of the common rules, the computer systems may not be able to interconnect with each other to create a network. There are two organizations standardized networking protocols. One, the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, IEEE, and the Internet Engineering Force, IETF. Now I need to talk about what happens if there are existing standards. If there are many existing standards with hardware or software manufacturers, the following different ones, the result would be incompatible hardware or software. Lastly, I need to talk about the importance of standards. They play an important role in the construction of networks. Standards describe the common ground on which hardware and software manufacturers, Apple, Microsoft, Linux, and etc., can depend on in order to build systems that are able to communicate with each other. Standards can be thought to provide a common international language that enables compatibility for all computer systems throughout the globe. Thank you.
Thanks, Julie.
No, sorry, it's fine.
It's fine, thanks. I said the both roses. Right, Ashish, you're doing 1.7. You're doing 12, right? Yeah. Well, that's a good sign.
Oh, she's going away.
Sir, come on, no, sir, she's alone like 30 seconds, please.
Come on, kids.
I can't be part of this. No. Bro, that was recording the entire time.